So how much money can small YouTubers like me actually make on here? Because you see different sources, different kinds of information all over the internet. But today, my friends, I will set that all straight and clear, coming right up. Welcome back, my friends. My name is Dominik, and if you're new here, by the way, usually I talk about social media, about building up a brand on social media, especially Instagram, your personal brand, everything around that topic. But today, we're talking about something really special. Today, we're gonna talk about how much money you can actually earn with a small YouTube channel like mine. I'm currently at 6,000 subs, and which just, by the way, inspired me to do this video because, I always wanted to do a sub special of some sort, and I've wanted to do it since about 3,000 subs, but now we're at 6,000 subs. And by the way, I just wanted to say thank you very much, my friends. You're the coolest guys on the internet, and I honestly wanted to say thanks for tuning in every other day whenever I post. Thanks for hitting that like button, and thanks for hitting that subscribe button, which you should hit, by the way. I know I probably said that already. Still, 6,000 people, it might not seem that much to some people, but for me, it's like, I can't even imagine how much 6,000 people is. Actually, I just looked up an image on how, 6,000 people actually look like. And, boy, that's quite a lot. While I know you're about 6,000 people out there, inside my lens in there, but just imagine going out on a stage and talking to 6,000 people every day. Anyway, today we're talking about all the ins and outs of how much you can earn as a small YouTuber here today. Right, so usually when I go on the internet, and before I started doing YouTube, of course, I googled it, I typed it in, how much money can you actually make, especially as a small account, because it's a long way to the top, if there is even a top. And there's been various videos, some say you can earn a lot, some say you can't earn a lot because Google doesn't pay that well. And today I'm gonna show you, and I'm gonna give you my insights on what's actually true, because actually I think the truth is different for each and every one of us. But let me get into that. Usually the videos that talk about how much money you can earn on YouTube are mainly for the AdSense revenue that you can generate through YouTube. And if you didn't know, usually there's some ads in front of my videos, in the middle of my videos, at the end, I don't know. And when you see that, or when you watch them for a specific amount of time, I'm not sure how it all works. So I get some sort of percentage from YouTube, right? And this is the AdSense money that you get. Of course, it depends on how many views you have a day. And what I've also noticed is it also kind of depends on what kinds of topics you talk about. First of all, if you're in for the money on YouTube, especially for that AdSense, don't even bother, my friends. First of all, you're going to wait a long time until you get approved. First of all, by the way, you have to meet certain criteria in order to become eligible to apply for that YouTube money. It's 4,000 hours watch time and 1,000 subscribers, right? It used to be 10,000 views lifetime. I hit that, I don't know, 7 months ago. I applied for the YouTube partner course. They didn't answer. They kind of changed the requirements. All of a sudden it was 4,000 hours watch time and 1,000 subscribers, right? So I worked my ass off. And they gave me a date until, I don't know, February 21st or something. I had to meet that criteria in order to become eligible for, being a YouTube partner, in order to, get some benefits, plus, the AdSense money. Exactly, I'm not kidding, exactly to the day, February 21st, I had my 1,000 subscribers, I had my watch time. And then they said it takes a week to review it. Within a week, I'd be all okay, and I'm in the partner program, it's all fine, right? A week came, nothing happened. A month came, nothing happened. They sent out an email and they're like, okay, there's like a backlog. It takes some time, whatever. I'm like, okay, it takes until April. So I waited, after April came along, nothing happened. Of course, it takes until the end of June. And this is where we are right now. At the end of June, I, got approved. Actually, it's only been about 2 weeks, to be honest. So I kind of don't know how much really I get. But as of right now, you can probably see this. I got $189.95. For 2 weeks or something like that. Probably will average about 300 to 400 a month, which is actually not that bad. Just for doing some YouTube stuff. I remember when I had my first job here in Vienna. I mean, I was only there for 1 day a week, but I got probably a lot less than that. Anyway, it's not bad. You probably won't get rich at all if you just work on YouTube, if you just work for that goal of, getting AdSense money. I tell you that. What I noticed is, by the way, it really depends on the topic, what you talk about. With certain topics, you get more money for 1,000 views, and for other topics, you get less money than 1,000 views. So the average on YouTube supposedly is $2 per 1,000 views, right? So my average is about, you know, 8, 7, 8, 10 bucks per 1,000 views, right? By the way, I have a friend, and he has a YouTube channel with 55,000 subscribers about, and he just showed me his ad revenue stats today. And with 50,000, you know, subscribers, for some reason his topics are apparently not that suitable for those, you know, advertisers. And he's in the YouTube partner program for about, I don't know, 3 or 4 weeks, and he's made, I don't know, 60 bucks or 70 bucks. So, you know, don't rely on the YouTube AdSense money. And then, of course, there has been, you know, some partnership inquiries by some brands and all of that, and I get probably 2 or 3 brand requests a week. Usually I decline them because there's some weird, man, there's some really weird services out there, some weird products. For now, I have declined most of them, but you know, if I would take all of these requests and make videos about those things that people ask me for, I would probably make about 1,000 to 2,000 bucks extra on this YouTube channel with, you know, my 6,000 subscribers. Actually, there's a website called Social Blue Book where you can kind of estimate what your value here, or I think even on Instagram is. You can kind of see, okay, how many subscribers do I have? What's you know, the demographics? What's my engagement on my videos and all of that? And they kind of tell your value. Of course, you can never, you know, base your value off of something, some service. Of course, you always have to do some thinking yourself. I tell you that, my friends. We're 6,000 subscribers now. I couldn't be happier. I couldn't be happier with my cool tribe that I have here in the comments that actually lots of people think I'm drunk all the time, which I might be, but no, I'm not. Anyway, all in all together, there's the AdSense thing that everyone talks about. That's not a lot. I mean, it could be a lot for some people, but it's not that much. I mean, compared to, you know, the hours I put into these videos and the hours I could work at my agency. Of course, I love working here with the videos. You know, are peanuts compared to, you know, the agency. So don't rely on that. Just see that as a bonus. Second thing is you could do some, you know, merchandise, whatever. I don't do it currently, so I can tell you how much you could earn. You know, probably just some peanuts, to be honest, and probably just to cover the expenses. Then I try my best to not pitch you any services here on my YouTube channel, just because, you know, I love to genuinely give you value. I genuinely love to, you know, help you out without me wanting to have some sort of money compensation or whatever. Of course, still there's people that want to work with me and want to work with, you know, the people, my agency and all of that. And you know, here I want to set it all straight because it's my 6,000 subscribers special. Thanks guys, by the way, again. Anyway, it's hard to measure, but about 10,000 bucks a month is what comes over from YouTube to my agency and all of that. Of course, not all of it is going to be profit. I tell you that, but still, you know, it's not that bad, to be honest. Anyway, this has been it. Thanks again for all of you guys. Thanks for all of you to, you know, tune in every day. Thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing. I really try my best to, you know, dedicate more time into this YouTube thing, because I really, right now, I'm starting to get the hang of it. Of course, all of these strategies, you know, putting out some merchandise, you know, promoting your agency, do some brand deals and all of that. Of course, you could take that strategy all and take it over to Instagram, right? You could do all of that minus the AdSense, but you know, the AdSense is only going to be peanuts anyway, right? So you could actually use that to, you know, generate some sort of an income on Instagram. Anyway, this has been it, my friends. It's been a pleasure. If you like to have more of these kinds of videos, you know, just hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and you actually just comment down below what kinds of videos you want me to go into, you know, for the next 6,000 subscribers. Just tell me down below, do you want me to talk about, you know, monetization tactics for Instagram, for social media in general? Because there's a lot of different tactics. Do you want me to go into content creation? Do you want me to go into other strategy things, personal branding, whatever? It's your call. I'm here for you. I love to, you know, do whatever. Anyway, my name is Dominik. I'll talk to you in a couple of days, and you know, bye.